Today, we want to compare cars. Its air conditioner is on external circulation and on domestic circulation. What's the difference in the amount of power it uses? Now it is in external circulation. The air conditioning temperature is 28 degrees. The wind speed is 5th gear. Reset the subtotal mileage. Okay, now start driving. We just drove 20.8 kilometers. The system calculated that the average electrical energy was 11.3 kilowatts hours. We now adjust this external circulation to domestic circulation. The temperature is still 28. Wind speed is still 5. We reset the mileage again. Okay, now let's go for another lap. We just ran the same route. You can see that during the inner loop, 100 kilometers consumes 96 kilowatt of electricity. Compared to external circulation, that's about 15% of the electricity saved.